So here I've got Grandma's Secret Sneaker Cleaner. It's a spray-on cleaner for shoes, and over here I've got a pair of dirty shoes. You can see all the dirt and stuff on them, especially down in these little nooks right here along the sole, and I need to get these cleaned. So I'm going to show you exactly how well this works and how to use it. So here's a closer look at the shoes we're going to be cleaning. You can especially see all the dirt along here. And before we get started, make sure you remove the laces from your shoes to get the best clean possible. You can see I've got some scuffs up here, dirt down in here, and the toes have some marks on them too. Same thing for the other shoe, a lot of dirt along the sole, some scuffs on the toe, and just not looking as good as they once did through here and through other parts of the shoe. So let's get them cleaned. So obviously I'm going to work on some basketball shoes here, but you can use this on canvas, rubber, and leather shoes. So you want to find yourself an old soft toothbrush like this one, and then you take your spray and you just give it a couple mists. On the bottle it says you should just use 1 to 2 sprays per shoe, but I found I use a little more than that. I'll show you. I use a couple at the beginning there, and then sometimes if I find some trouble spots, I go ahead and give it another spray. You see that little stain right there? Let's see if we can get rid of it. Now let's go to work on the rest of the shoe. Just using some gentle back and forth motions here. Let's see what I can do with all this dirt down in here though. Already looking so much better. Let's carry on. You can see that's already looking so much better. Carry on to the back here. Much better. We got a little stain right here, and I don't think I got any spray on it, but there might be some left over on the toothbrush, so let's see if it gets rid of it. Nope. And so that's one of those little trouble spots. I'm going to give it a nice little spray. Look at that, now it's gone. Let's attack this sole again. Got another trouble spot here. I'm gonna try to clean that up. Just gonna give it another spray. And that's really just like a half spray there, or a quarter spray. I'm not even giving a full spray. You can see that it foams up a little bit, and that really does the trick on those trouble spots. Okay, I got that pretty well cleaned up there. We're going to do that for both shoes, and then we're going to go and give them a rinse. Okay, let's get a before look. And now let's take an after look here, right after I've done the rinse. And you can see how much better this shoe looks. Really, really nice. Got rid of a lot of those trouble spots. Got rid of all the dirt down in it. If you want, you could take a rag, again, over anywhere where you think you missed something, and just kind of clean it out. And I'll just give them a little towel dry here just so we can get a better look at them, even though I just want them to air dry. And there you go, that shoe's basically looking brand new again. I'm really happy with this. So there you go, if you need to clean your shoes, this stuff works great. And what I really like about it is how quickly it works. Just an easy spray, very simple, and then just scrub it off, give it a rinse, and your shoes are ready to go. It's my new personal favorite because I've used other shoe cleaners where you have to have a bowl of water, you gotta have certain kind of scrub brushes, and it's just a whole mess and everything. And this stuff, super easy to use, really like it. So I definitely recommend it to you as well.